excavator. Hey dirt, see you later. I'm an excavator. I've got a great big arm and a great big boom. If I start digging